What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today's video is how to get a cool tone,
actually warm tone,
smoky eye. I'm going to be using our Tarteist Pro palette. Forewarning, my palette has been through the ringer. I use this one a lot, so it's very messy, so when I hold it up, don't judge. Okay, moving on. We're going to start out by taking the shades Innocent and Whimsy. We're going to mix these two together, and we're going to apply these to our crease and right along the lower lash line.
I wanted to do a cool tone look, but as usual, these two shades just sucked me in.
You guys also saw I didn't even prime my lids. This palette is infused with Amazonian clay, so you really don't even need a primer. The clay locks to the lid and the shadows blend beautifully. Now we're going to take the shade Trendy and we're going to apply this all over our lid. Now we're going to tap into that shade Glam and we're going to apply this right to the center of the lid. Then we're just going to pop a little bit of that right into the inner corners of our eyes. Now we're going to apply a couple coats of our vegan Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara to increase our lash volume by 2,700%. There you have it, tartlets. You guys just saw how easy this eye look was to create, and if there's any other shades in this palette you want to see me do a look with, let me know what they are in the comment section below. And until next time, take care, tartlets.